welcome back to my wee channel on bidding, buying and repairing car salvage. So on with the first car we're bidding on today on Copart. It's a 2016 Fiat 500 Lounge. Pre-accident value is round about £6,500 and we're just scrolling through the pictures at the moment here, taking a look at the damage. So we've got damage on the near side rear quarter panel, near side door, near side front wing. No airbags off, interior looks lovely and clean. I really like this colour, this coral pink colour, really nice colour on this car. So just having a good look, looks fresh under the bonnet, fresh looking battery, car's running in the picture, you can see it's running, a little bit of fuel in there. And back to that damage, so near side rear quarter looks like it would repair. Probably replace the near side door, definitely a new near side wing, and a bit of damage inside the sill where the door's probably pushed in and pushed the sill. Looks all clean in there, aerial's present, run, drive, one key written on the windscreen, tyre kit present. All in all, relatively fresh car. Look at the MOT history, so it's MOT'd currently to the 19th of February 26 and it was MOT'd with no advisories. Quite a lot of advisories on the MOT in 2023, but presumably they've all been taken care of. So it's had quite a lot of advisories, this car, but you know, it is what it is. All looks relatively good, and the fact that it was an advisory free MOT prior to getting its MOT, that's all good. So value wise, I value this car, retail on it had it not been damaged would be around about £6,500. As you know, if you're a viewer to our previous videos, I roughly tried to buy these cars for about 30% hammer price. So we're looking to bid round about £2,000 for this car, give or take. And if we get it for that, that would leave us in a position to repair it and then sell the car for roughly £4,495. So here we are bidding's at £1,700. £1,800. We are not the highest bidder at this point. I'm in at £1,850. Already quite close to what we want to pay for this car. Now this car's on minimum bid, so it doesn't matter if we're the winning bidder, it doesn't matter. It'll go back to the seller and then the seller will decide if they want to accept your highest
Bonus time.
So I'm winning at £1,950. Fingers crossed, but it's still on reserve, so this isn't our car until the seller decides they're going to sell us it.
Sold on approval.
Sold on approval. And then there was a bit of toing and froing and bidding, and I think at the end of the day I won this car for £2,100, which is £100 above what I was going to, but I really like these cars, they sell really well. It's got the lounge, pan roof, alloys, what's not to like. And here's the car, arrived on site, nice, bright, shiny looking car, alloy wheels, got the chrome, got the pan roof. Fresh interior, no rips or tears, no airbag damage. Really tidy, facelifted headlights. And here's the damage coming up. So, as we said, near side front wing, we'll replace that. Quite badly damaged. Near side doors, way out of shape. No point in repairing that in my opinion. So we'll replace the near side door. And then we'll have a go at repairing the near side rear quarter. No alloy wheel damage, no suspension damage. It is what it is. Rear of the car nice and fresh, no dings, dents, scrapes. All in all, quite a nice little car. Interior wise, nice and fresh, no rips or tears, no airbags off. Mileage wise, 37,000 miles, a wee bit of fuel in there, No lights on the dash, car starts and drives. All in all, quite happy with my purchase, and look back on the channel in the future for a repair video on this very car. So here we are, we're on to a 2020 69 plate Fiat 500 Lounge. Again, having a good look through the pictures. So front end damage, the usual sort of front end damage above the chassis legs. It's quite strange, but a lot of Fiat 500s that I buy seem to take the impact right above the chassis legs. So the chassis legs are straight and everything above it's pretty much bolt on, bolt off, superficial damage. So just having a good look around the car, it all looks quite fresh. Parking sensors, alloy wheels. Interior looks nice and tidy. No rips or tears, no airbag off. Nice back seat. And there's the damage. So we're looking at front panel, front bumper, possibly headlight repair kit. Airbox maybe a bit damaged there. Front badge. Maybe a repair to the wing. Sitting running in the picture with some fuel in it. No airbag lights off, no airbags off. Looks like a nice fresh car pre-accident. Aerial missing, fairly typical. Yeah, nice fresh car. Quite like this one, going to have a good go at buying this one. So on to the all-important MOT history. MOT to 13th of January 2026. Passed its MOT at 21,000 miles with no advisories. And then looking back, fairly minor advisories previous to that. History all checks out. Quite happy with this car. And if this car had been undamaged and we were selling it on Auto Trader, we'd sort of be selling it in about the 8495 mark. So based on my usual 30% rule, I'm going to bid somewhere in about £2,500 to £2,600 for this car. If we're successful, then I'd be looking to sell it for 30% less than Auto Trader retail, which would make this car £5,995. So if we're going to go the 2550, then using the Copart calculator, this would make this car 3184 out the door. Let's see how we go. So it's a pure sale, so there's no reserves, so the highest bidder is the winning bidder. We're in at £1,900, bear in mind we're going to roughly about 2.5. £1,900 would make this car incredibly cheap car. Outbid at £1,950, back in straight away at £2,000, winning this car. Are we going to win it? Fingers crossed. Cheap car if it comes at this price. Outbid £2,050, straight back in at 2-1. I really like these cars, this particular colour again, good seller. We're winning again, 2250. Outbid straight away. Back in at 2-3. Getting close to our limit here. How badly do I want this car? Outbid 2350. There's someone wanting this car just as much as I do. Back in at 2-4. Bear in mind that I'm going to 2550. 2-6 at a push.
Bonus time.
Outbid again, 2450. Outbid at 2.5. Straight back in at 2550. I'm close to my limit. I'm £50 off my maximum limit here. Outbid at 2.6. That's me. I'm at my limit. I should be out. And I'm about to break all my own rules. I get the feeling that I'm close to winning this car. Auction fever's kicked in. I'm bidding 2650. The wife's telling me to stop bidding. I'm still going at it. Outbid at 2.7. Really, I should just be walking away at this point. But it's a 2020 plate Fiat 500 Lounge. It's only done 25,000 miles. It's an easy repair. Winning bidder at 2.750.
Bonus time.
Try to justify it to myself. Bonus time. Come on. Give me this car.
Bonus time.
Is it ours at 2.750? More bonus time. Got to be walking away at this point. Outbid again, 2.8. Walk away. My advice to you at this point, walk away.
Bonus time.
Set your limit and walk away. Are we going to have one final cheeky bid? Winning bidder at 2.850. Comments in the comment section.
Bonus
Did I pay too
time.
much for this car? Would you have walked away? Do you get caught up in the auction fever? Happens to the best of us.
Bonus time.
Am I winning this car? Come on, bonus time. Car's ours, 2.850, £250 over what I was really wanting to pay for the car. It better be a decent car when it arrives. So here's the walk round. Nice and shiny. Nice alloy wheels, no curb marking. Round to the back of the car, no marks, no surprises. Oh, there's the first surprise, a little bit of flaking paint round about the parking sensor there. Down the near side, all nice and clean. Windscreen looks fine. Bonnet needs replaced, bumper needs replaced. Badge probably. That chrome strip will need replaced. And then just the usual damage, front panel. Headlights look like they're repairable. So front panel, radiator, aircon condenser, the usual culprits, but what I would call a bread and butter repair. Inside wise, is it nice and clean? Yes it is, no rips, tears, burns, nothing, no marks, really clean interior, what we'd expect for that kind of mileage. All in all, a nice car. Tune back into the channel for a later video where you'll see me repair and ultimately get this car ready for sale. And then on with the final one for today. It's a Cat S Fiat 500 2014 Pop. Don't usually buy Cat S's, but I sold the last one really quickly, so I decided, you know, let's try and find a sort of cheaper end of the market, Cat S, and get on and get one of them and get it repaired. So looking at the damage, it's on the offside, so we've got damage to the offside bumper, offside front wing, the door needs replaced, offside sill, bit of scraping on the offside rear bumper, but all fairly superficial. And you know, tell me in the comments, where's the structural damage here? I'm not seeing any. Nice clean interior, no airbags off, no airbag damage, bit of dust on the back seat. Looks like a brand new battery, sitting running in the pictures. Back to that all important damage. I'll repair that wing, I'll replace that door. I've actually got a door sitting in the colour. Stress fractures on the back bumper, fairly common. Spare looks like it's never been on. Aerial's present. What's that? A bit of dirt on the gutter there. Hopefully it's not flaking paint. MOT history. MOT to July 2026, so it's got quite a long MOT on it. I'll put a fresh one on it anyway, and the advisories that it's MOT was just the usual sort of corroded springs and back axle, which is typical with these cars. So retail price on this car's £3,500. If I go to my usual 30%, then I'm going to £1,100 on this car. So just going back through those images again, just satisfying my own mind that this car's worth going for, and that I'm going to bid £1,100, and then that would leave me in a position to sell that car at 30% off of retail, which would be 2495. So here we are, bidding £750, outbid at 800. Are we going to win this car? We're almost getting close to the limit, and I'm looking for a bargain here to make up for the one that I just overbid on. In at 900. I think this is a cheap wee car at £900. All it needs is a bit of labour. You know, there's not a lot of parts to buy. Outbid at 925. In at 950. Are we going to win this car? I don't think we are at this point, to be honest with you. I don't think I'm getting this for 950. It's a pure sale. Happy to go to the £1,100. I'm in at 950. A saving at this point would justify my overbidding on the last one. And the one before that, if we're being honest with each other. So come on, let's have this car for 950. And let's make it a decent wee car. Yep, won this car 950, so here's the final walk round of the video. And as you can see, it's exactly what it was in the pictures. Offside door, offside wing, slight scuffing on that sill that'll need repaired. Offside scuffing on the bumper, which is probably nothing to do with the accident. Those stress fractures on the top of the bumper, which again, nothing to do with the accident. Near side looks really clean, straight. Wheel trims look clean and straight. And here's a bit that I didn't notice in the images, a bit of stress fracturing on the front bumper there. Again, nothing to do with the accident, and something we can easily take care of. Not a huge deal. And then just back round to that offside damage. Inside, nice clean straight car, quite like these bright red seats, which usually get really grubby, but in this car they're nice. 61,000 miles, starts and drives, nice clean enough car. So let's see how we got on with these cars. We thought they were cheap when we bought them. Let's find out how cheap they are once we're finished. So that's us. A quick mention to my son for editing these videos, really much appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks very much.